According to China Water Electrical Engineering Corporation, the excessive water volumes discharged through the spillway during the long-term flood of River Nile since 2020 brought unexpected impacts to the Isimba Hydropower project. This witnessed the concrete of the buffer blocks being washed away, threatening the structural integrity of the dam. The underground investigations show threatening images of the eroded buffer blocks, which, if left unattended to, may cause havoc to the dam. Negotiations to have remedial works have for long been discussed by the relevant stakeholders, but in vain.
This one has come very short of its design life. This is why we are going through this model tests, which will prescribe or involve some of the reasons.
The Parliamentary Committee on Environment and Natural Resources, led by Soroti City East MP Herbert Ariko, held several meetings with the stakeholders, including the employer, owner's engineer, Uganda Electricity Generation Company Limited, and the contractor China Water Electrical Corporation, to save the Euros 567 million project. The contractor CWE has been hesitant on the need to undertake a river diversion to allow a dry inspection and repair of the defected spillways.
Since it carried with it a huge amount of determination on the next courses of actions on safeguarding the dam, no matter the disagreement that they had between themselves, it had to be resolved.
After a series of negotiations, CWE bowed down to pressure to consider an option to construct another spillway. This will reduce the pressure on the existing spillways as the repair works are being undertaken.
We will continue to take our action and work very close to, and we try to complete all these defect repair works and complete this work as quick as possible. Thank you.
However, the cost of the new spillway will be determined after all the relevant tests, including physical model test, are carried out.
And then the insurance of the dam, of the spillway itself, has to be determined. When you put this together, it is not anything less than $150 million.
Because the physical model test had two crucial things that it had to deliver. One, to help us determine the actual causes of the defects and degeneration of the spillway. Two, to establish the capacity of water or the run of the river that the spillway could be able to withstand over a certain period of time.
This is not the first time the contractor CWE commits to solutions of the defects on the spillway. Professor Wang Yongtian, the Vice President of CWE, agreed with the stakeholders of short-term strategies.
But the important thing is that are we addressing the challenges we've got? The answer is yes.
This conclusion, in layman understanding, fronts a second chance to the contractor after recent investigations found that CWE lacked capacity to complete Isimba Hydropower project. Uganda Electricity Generation Company Limited warned that any flooding beyond 4,000 cubic meters may be a danger to the spillways.
Now, when the members of the spillway are subjected, the material members, one, it will help determine whether or not the material that is used for the construction of the spillway was one which could withstand the pressures of the water and in what capacity and for whatever period. Number two, that the tests will reveal to us what exactly were the causes as to why the spillway degenerated much faster.
Daniel Mugoya, Gloria Gutabinji, UBC News.